Prior authorizations for Samsca can feel like an uphill battle. The paperwork, insurer-specific rules, and constant follow-ups can leave your team feeling stretched thin. But with the right steps, and a little extra help, you can simplify the process and get patients the treatment they need without unnecessary delays. Let's start with the basics. Insurers have strict policies for high-cost medications like Samsca. Understanding these policies is crucial. You'll need to know what they require, from medical necessity criteria to formulary placement. Checking coverage guidelines up front ensures your documentation is on point and avoids last-minute roadblocks. Next, it's all about building a strong case for your patient. Start with a detailed diagnosis using proper ICD-10 codes like 𝗬𝗎𝗰𝗁 for hyponatremia or 𝗑61.2 for ADPKD. Include lab results, like sodium levels or evidence of kidney decline, that prove the need for Samsca. Don't forget to explain why other treatments didn't work or aren't suitable for the patient. This level of detail shows the insurer why Samsca is the best option. This step alone can take hours of your team's time, but here's a better solution: outsourcing. Staffingly's team specializes in prior authorizations, including medications like Samsca. They handle everything from gathering the right codes to crafting compelling cases for insurers. This ensures your submission is accurate, complete, and ready to move forward. After submitting the request, the waiting begins. Routine authorizations might take 7 to 14 days, and urgent ones around 72 hours. Keeping track of every submission, following up regularly, and staying on top of insurer feedback is time-consuming. That's where Staffingly comes in again. Their experts monitor the process for you, following up promptly to prevent delays. And let's face it, denials happen. When they do, it's important to review the insurer's reasons carefully. Strengthening your case with additional evidence or even consulting with the insurer's medical director can make a big difference. Staffingly can handle appeals for you too, making sure your patient gets a fair review and the best chance of approval. Accurate coding is another critical piece of the puzzle. Using proper ICD-10 and CPT codes ensures your submission isn't held up by questions or errors. For Samsca, common codes include 𝗬𝗎𝗰𝗁 for hyponatremia and related captain codes for diagnostic lab tests. Staffingly's team is trained to get these details right, avoiding unnecessary back-and-forth with insurers. Prior authorizations don't have to be a constant headache. By focusing on accurate documentation, consistent follow-ups, and expert support, you can make the process smoother for your practice and your patients. And when your team is feeling overwhelmed, outsourcing to Staffingly can change everything. Their team takes the workload off your hands, helping improve approval rates while saving your practice time and money. With Staffingly, you can focus on what really matters: caring for your patients. If you're ready to simplify your prior authorizations, reach out today and see how they can help.
If you are looking for outsourcing services, schedule a demo today by visiting www.staffingly.com or emailing us at support@staffingly.com or call us on the number 1-800-489-5877.